How to set Xlim and Ylim for a subplot. I would like to limit the x and y axis in matplotlib for a specific subplot. The subplot figure itself doesn't have any axis property. I want, for example, to change only the limits for the second plot.
You should use the OO interface to matplotlib rather than the state machine interface. Almost all of the plt.* function are thin wrappers that basically do GCA.star. Plt subplot returns an axis object. Once you have a reference to the axis object, you can plot directly to it, change its limits, etc. And so on for as many axes as you want. Or better, wrap it all up in a loop.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.